659 Bombs for Josh, Part 9. Let's get going. So first of all, in Data by System, in the ABOMB08 section, we have shuffled things around. That's all we did in this video, because I realized that the laser boxes would make more sense with a clockwise spiraling order, starting at the top left. So imagine you put the first laser box at the top left, and it's going right. You get to the next corner, you go down, bottom. Then you get to the next corner, you go to the left, you get to the next corner, you go up, and then you end up back where you started. So a very easy way to make a spiraling chain reaction if we index them in this order here: right, bottom, left, and top. So what I've done is I've just shuffled everything around, and I've put these little markers here that say OR to say that I've shuffled around the order. So we see the right-facing pattern. Oh, also I added extra parentheses here around each one of these uint array declarations. Okay, anyways, so facing to the right, then we go down, then we go left, and then we go up, and then we can go right back up to the top, right? So we have this kind of cycle that we can create. So it is maybe like a trivial thing. It's like, why do you care about that order so much? Does it really matter that much? Yeah, it mattered enough to me to change it. And then also here, everything had to be shuffled around, right? Because now I need to order these in that order, right? So we have right, we have bottom, we have left, and we have top. And then in that order, right? 4, 5, 6, and 7, sequentially in that order. And then these commentaries also had to be changed to match. And that's all we did in this video. Here's the end of the section. And here's what we did previously. And then our footnotes, right? So, oh yeah, also in this section, we indented all this stuff, right? We indented all this stuff, and we wrapped it in this thing that says laser clock. And laser clock just tells us why we kind of decided to do that little refactor there, right? And then this is the ORD marker, that it's kind of like the move marker in the deltas, but it is for kind of reordering things. And here's what we did in this video here. Here's what we're going to do next. So if you want a longer explanation, you can go here to Ninja Coder. You're on the fast playlist on Kanji Coder. Source code is here. Ways of getting a hold of me are here. Technical demos are here. Like and subscribe. Send money in the mail. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine and a game from complete scratch in JavaScript using a C99 data-oriented design style. So if you hate JavaScript, but you still want to use JavaScript, you're at the right place.